Hello students, so I welcome you all in my channel Digital Electronics. So today we are going to discuss about binary number system. Binary number system. In binary number system, as the name suggests, we have two digits. We have only two digits, or you can say two symbols. Okay. We have 0 and 1. And there is a very important reason behind this, that why in all the digital computers, why the binary number system is useful. Since the electronic circuit involves diode, transistor, or any kind of a switch or switch. And these have two states. Which states they have? They may be on, they may be off. Okay, so this on and off is basically on and off is represented by 0 and 1. So that's why binary number system is very important. This is a weighted system. Similarly, like decimal number system is also a weighted system, this is also a weighted system. So suppose you have a number which is written in a binary number system. Let's say it is written A0, A1, A2, and so on, and then AN, A minus 1, A minus 2, and here you have a decimal point, A minus 3, and AK. So what will be the decimal equivalent? Decimal equivalent will be so let's say this number is written in a binary number system. So decimal equivalent will be A0 2 to the power 0 plus, since this the base is 2, so 2 to the power 0 plus A1 2 to the power 1 plus A2 2 to the power 2 plus A3 and so on, AN 2n to the power 2 to the power n plus A minus 1 2 to the power minus 1 plus A minus 2 2 to the power minus 2 plus A minus 3 2 to the power minus 3 and A minus k, let's say minus k 2 to the power minus k. Okay, so this position has a weight 2 to the power 0, this position has a weight of 2 to the power 1, this position has a weight of 2 to the power 2, and so on, like this. So this is how basically you get the decimal equivalent in binary, in decimal from binary. So if you have any number system, okay, let me write here a general formula. Let you have a number which is written like this: A0, A1, A2, AN, decimal point, A minus 1, A minus 2, A minus k, in let's say base B. Then the decimal equivalent will be A0 b to the power 0 plus A1 b to the power 1 plus A2 b to the power 2 plus and so on, AN b to the power n plus A minus 1 b to the power minus 1 plus A minus 2 b to the power minus 2 plus and so on, A minus k b to the power minus k. So this is how you can find out the equivalent decimal. So let me take one example here. So let me take one example. So suppose the number is written 1011. What will be its decimal equivalent? So decimal equivalent, this number is written in a decimal number binary number system. So decimal equivalent will be 1 into 2 to the power 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3. So this number will be 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 11. So this is how you can find out the decimal equivalent from the binary number system. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. So thank you very much.